Welcome. This is part 13 about the Olshammar engine. We are running simulations together with FEV Sverige AB, a part of FEV Group from Germany. And this time we are simulating a 4-stroke, 1-cylinder diesel engine. And we compare the Olshammar version with added functionality with a baseline engine with regards to brake-specific fuel consumption and brake power at 1800 RPM. This is the GT power setup for the baseline engine, and the text in red here below is the file name. So if you have access to GT Power software, you can download this file from the olshammar.com website and verify the results yourself. And in the red squares are the parameters that we have optimized in GT Power. And we can see the red graph showing that we have reached 5.5 bar as the target value. And the green line show the wastegate diameter, which is 0, so it's not open at all. And for this one we have 215.9 gram per kilowatt hour in fuel consumption and 116.3 kilowatt in brake power. And here we have added a gear, and this gear has been slowed down 50%. So the crank slider is moving at only 900 RPM, while the crank in the engine is moving at 1800 RPM. And this is for 1-cylinder, 4-stroke. And the exhaust cylinder only needs to, the exhaust piston only needs to move at half the speed when it serves only 1 cylinder. And here are the parameters that we have optimized here. And we can see that the brake-specific fuel consumption is 234 gram per kilowatt hour. And the power is 110.8 kilowatts. So, to compare the baseline with the Olshammar engine, this layout is not successful at all. We have 8.4% more fuel consumption and 4.7% less power. So the 1-cylinder with 1 exhaust cylinder setup is not to recommend. And if you have access to GT Power, then you go to this website and you download the files you need to verify these results yourself. Thank you very much.